Somewhere in your friend group, your college, or your office, two people might share a birthday. What are the odds? How big a group should be for the chances of two people sharing a birthday to be greater than 50%? Take a guess. And trust me, most of your intuitions are wrong. With 365 days in a year, not including leap year, the number of people we need is just 23. Yup, in a group of 23 people, there's a 50.7% chance that two people would share a birthday. And this gets more crazier. In a group of 40 people, there's a 97% chance. And this number goes to 99.97 with just 70 people.
It's not magic, just simple maths. You find the probability by first finding the probability of everyone having a unique birthday and then subtracting it with 1. Mathematically, it's 364 upon 365 into 363 upon 365 and so on, which is around 49.3 roughly. And minus 1, that is 50.7. Well, the question is, why weren't we able to guess? There are few biases that play a role in here. First, the self-centric bias. People usually misunderstand the question and think what are the odds of someone would share my birthday and say there's a low probability. Well, that's true because if we take probability of just one specific birthday to match, it would be low, but that's not the question here. It's simply any two people could share a birthday. Second, the number of possible pairings in a group increased dramatically with each additional person. A group of n people have an n minus 1 by 2 unique pairs. That's 53 unique pairs for a group of 23 and 2115 unique pairs for a group of 70. And the intuition tends to scale linearly. It's hard for our human brain to understand non-linearity and problems related to it.